It begins with the careful harvest of ripe mango fruit under the rising sun. From the trees, mango fruit begins its journey toward processing.
Each mango fruit is gathered by hand to preserve its natural quality.
Carefully packed, mango fruit is prepared for transport.
Only the finest mango fruit moves forward in the process.
The selected mango fruit is loaded for its journey ahead. Secured and ready, the mango fruit prepares to leave the orchard. The journey of mango fruit continues beyond the fields. From orchard to industry, mango fruit moves toward transformation. Now on open roads, mango fruit accelerates toward industrial processing. In coordinated transport, mango fruit moves in bulk toward the facility. Quality checks ensure mango fruit remains intact during transit. Every mile brings mango fruit closer to transformation. A brief stop sustains the journey of mango fruit.
With renewed speed, mango fruit approaches its destination.
Ahead lies the facility where mango fruit will be transformed. From road to factory, mango fruit enters the next stage of its journey. The mango fruit reaches the gates of industrial precision. Here, mango fruit meets the scale of modern industry. Precision guides every movement as mango fruit arrives for processing.
Stability ensures safe handling of every mango fruit load.
Inside, the journey of mango fruit continues into the factory core.
From sunlight to steel, mango fruit enters a new environment.
A synchronized system directs mango fruit with precision.
The first step inside begins as mango fruit is prepared for sorting.
The flow of mango fruit now moves toward its first transformation stage.
The cleaning process begins as mango fruit meets high-pressure water.
Continuous motion ensures every mango fruit is thoroughly cleaned. A final rinse prepares mango fruit for precise inspection.
High-speed air removes moisture from every mango fruit surface.
Human precision ensures only quality mango fruit continues forward.
Advanced sensors analyze each mango fruit with speed and accuracy.
Grading organizes mango fruit for uniform processing.
Only the finest mango fruit advances to transformation. Prepared and sorted, mango fruit is now ready for core processing.
Each mango fruit is open to reveal its rich inner pulp.
Seeds are removed, leaving only the usable mango fruit pulp. Seeds are removed, leaving only the usable mango fruit pulp.
Crushing transforms mango fruit into a rich, flowing pulp. The mango fruit pulp moves forward in a controlled, continuous stream. Filtration refines mango fruit pulp to a smooth consistency. Collected pulp gathers in tanks for further refinement. Mixing ensures consistent quality across all mango fruit pulp. Now refined, mango fruit pulp advances to the next stage of transformation. The mango fruit pulp enters controlled heating for safety and preservation. Heat eliminates impurities while preserving mango fruit flavor. Rapid cooling stabilizes the mango fruit pulp for blending. Rapid cooling stabilizes the mango fruit pulp for blending. Precise blending defines the final mango fruit juice composition. Homogenization creates the smooth texture of mango fruit juice. The processed mango fruit juice is held before final refinement. Flow control ensures consistent movement of mango fruit juice. Ultrafiltration refines mango fruit juice to its purest form. Now perfected, mango fruit juice moves into automated production.
Automation begins as mango fruit juice meet precision bottling systems.
Every container is cleaned before receiving mango fruit juice. Each bottle is filled with measured precision of mango fruit juice. Each bottle is filled with measured precision of mango fruit juice. Sealing locks in the freshness of mango fruit juice. Sealing locks in the freshness of mango fruit juice. Sensors verify every detail of mango fruit juice packaging. Any flaw is instantly removed from the mango fruit juice line. Brand identity is applied to every bottle of mango fruit juice. Automation organizes mango fruit juice into ready-to-pack units. Heat forms a secure wrap around every mango fruit juice pack.
Cooling stabilizes the final shape of mango fruit juice packaging.
Automation places mango fruit juice packs into transport cartons.
Each carton of mango fruit juice is securely sealed.
Tracking information is applied to every mango fruit juice carton.
Final checks ensure each mango fruit juice carton meets standards.
Cartons are stacked into stable loads of mango fruit juice.
Each pallet of mango fruit juice is secured for safe handling.
Every batch of mango fruit juice begins with strict sampling.
Inside the lab, mango fruit juice undergoes scientific evaluation. Inside the lab, mango fruit juice undergoes scientific evaluation.
Chemical balance ensures perfect stability in mango fruit juice.
Microscopic testing confirms purity of mango fruit juice.
Human evaluation verifies the final sensory quality.
Consistency testing ensures perfect texture in every bottle.
Safety checks guarantee zero contamination in mango fruit juice. Only approved batches of mango fruit juice move forward.
With approval complete, production is cleared for final dispatch. Final production moves into organized warehouse storage. Each pallet is systematically arranged for efficient distribution.
Digital systems select mango fruit juice batches for delivery.
Controlled storage preserves the freshness of mango fruit juice.
Logistics operations begin the final journey of mango fruit juice.
Each load is secured for safe transportation.
From factory to world, mango fruit juice begins its journey. A global network delivers mango fruit juice to markets everywhere.